How to make a logo in Canva. So in this video, we're going to be creating a logo in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do so, what we are going to be doing is we're going to click on create a design, and here it's going to say logo, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, once we click on that, it's going to open up the logo design section over here, and we can create a logo of whatever style we want. All right. So for this to actually happen, let's go ahead and take some inspiration from these logos, in fact, if we want to. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go into elements. I'm going to go ahead and write circle. I'm going to add this. Okay. Increase the size of it just like that. There we go. And once you increase the size, I'm going to go into the shapes, give it a little blue shade. And I'm going to go to the background, and you can obviously go ahead and add whatever type of styling you want in the background. It all depends on the level of integrity and design you want to go with. So let's say we're going to add that. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a frame of the same blue repertoire. Okay. Make sure the frame is a bit smaller. And then I'm going to go into my uploads. And once we go into my uploads, I'm going to add a certain design over here. There we go. Looks pretty nice. Centralize it. There we go. And obviously, you can then add your very own text. So let's say I'm going to add my heading, Inksters Incorporated. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go on effects. I'm going to give it a little curvature. Okay. And after we've given it the curve that it needs, there we go. Just add it like that. And look at that. That is how easy it is to make a logo. Just go ahead and share and export it, and your logo is done. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.